Jasmy Coin is today one of the most popular crypto projects in the market. As data gathered from the project's website, that wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out. Jasmy Coin is in the market for data democratization and wants to put data sovereignty in the hands of consumers. The focus area of Jasmy is IoT, or Internet of Things, blockchain, and data democracy. The Jasmy team aims to be a decisive player in the fourth industrial revolution. Due to its popularity, many people also call Jasmy Bitcoin of Japan. The real use cases of the Jasmy project make Jasmy Coin a promising project in the long term. As one of the growing popular DeFi projects, Jasmy Coin is working on many initiatives. As we found through CoinMarketCap by its limited token supply and response from investors, Jasmy Coin looks strong. Jasmy Coin got off to a good start, with its price skyrocketing in the first month. Recently, though, things have been looking bleak for the cryptocurrency. Does the Jasmy price prediction suggest that it can start climbing again? Hey everyone, you're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit the like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of the scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we'll talk about three main things. What is Jasmy Coin, its history, and lastly, its price prediction for 2025. First off, what is Jasmy? Jasmy is an organization developed by Kunitake Ando solely to create Internet of Things IoT platforms on the web. Note that the Ethereum blockchain powers Jasmy Coin. Jasmy Coin is a native token of the Jasmy platform. Unlike other networks that use centralized servers, Jasmy uses decentralized servers to help store and compute data. The decentralized network used for this purpose is IPFS. Juan Benet is the interplanetary file system inventor, a new protocol to make the web faster, safer, and more open. A Filecoin, a cryptocurrency, incentivized storage network. It's interesting to note that IPFS is the decentralized storage of Web3. Find out more here for technical guidance. The Jasmy network is built on trust. Jasmy wants to build relationships with their customers and companies that use their services, their platforms frequently. They also want to ensure that all personal files are returned to their rightful owners. Jasmy hopes to build on that information gap and position itself in the market as a significant answer to the fourth industrial revolution problem. One benefit of using the Jasmy platform is that you can easily decide what to do with your previously saved personal letters as an individual. If you want, you can delete it. The white paper states that when our basic needs such as clothing, food, shelter, and transportation are connected via the internet, this will dramatically affect our lives. We're an IoT platform company on a mission to provide the infrastructure which allows anybody to use data safely and securely. We're currently developing and providing the Jasmy platform to achieve this. Jasmy Coin has a fairly short price history because it only launched in February 2021. The token started its journey off on a high note. Within the first 3 weeks of February, it had announced plenty of new listings. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap had implemented its price data. The Math Wallet and Gate.io listed token on the trading platforms. This culminated in the Jasmy Coin hitting its all-time high of $4.99 on 16th February 2021. The price of Jasmy corrected to around $2 mark over the following days. It then temporarily spiked again on 1st March 2021, reaching $2.96. Subsequently, Jasmy Coin settled around $1. May 2021 proved to be an exciting month for the Internet of Things platform and token. A Jasmy Coin staking campaign was launched by Gate.io, which ran from late April to 10th May. Those who staked the token could earn an annual interest rate of 50%. Chief Finance Officer Hiroshi Harada then revealed that Jasmy was looking at a cross-chain compatibility. This came at a time when Ethereum gas fees were climbing rapidly. Harada tweeted a photo that implied that Jasmy was looking at Polygon and Binance Smart Chain in particular. The Jasmy team also announced in May that it was offering support for the MetaMask wallet. Its price passed $2, hitting a peak of $2.15 on 5th May, but Jasmy could not hold on and the price started to plummet that month. By 17th June 2021, the IoT token had fallen below 10 cents. It continued to fall throughout the following months, dropping to its all-time low of $0.008 on 2nd July 2021. Jasmy has been unable to come anywhere close to $1 again, but it did start rallying again in October. Jasmy's price jumped to $0.06 on 7th October 2021, the day before the token was listed on Coinbase. The IoT cryptocurrency saw more listings that month, including with Bitfinex and KuCoin, which resulted in Jasmy hitting 11 cents on 26th October 2021. There was another surge on 2nd November 2021 when Jasmy partnered with X Digital Innovation. Its intention was to start experimenting with its services in the personal finance field. On the day the partnership was announced, the token hits 27 cents. It passed 20 cents again on 23rd November 2021 as Transcosmos released a telecommunications system based on Jasmy network. The goal of this partnership was to apply Jasmy's data decentralization goals in a call center setting. The surge, however, was only temporary, and Jasmy had dropped back on the 10 cents mark in December 2021. The platform was in the news once more recently as it announced that it was looking at launching an English language version of its PC software. The coin opened in New York at $0.8544 and remains stuck in the general downtrend, closing 31st January 2022 at $0.04596. February wasn't much better in the long-running bear market, and the coin was valued at lows of $0.016 by the end of the month. Jasmy hit further lows of $0.01748 on 30th April. The token then met a new all-time low following a market-wide crash, trading below $0.00835 on 12th May. However, some headway has been made in the following weeks, and as of 14 June, the token was trading at $0.00952. Jasmy price prediction. The majority of the Jasmy price predictions suggest a steady rise for the cryptocurrency, but none think that it'll pass $1 anytime soon. As per our Jasmy Coin price prediction, the Jasmy Coin prices can hit a new all-time high level this year. By 2025, we may expect an average price of $1.67 depending upon the market performance. Our maximum price prediction for Jasmy Coin is $1.84 in 2025, while the minimum price level can be around $1.19 if the market turns down. However, if the market gets bullish, might the Jasmy Coin surge more than our Jasmy Coin price forecast in 2025? Well, as per the recent spikes in prices, Jasmy Coin has proved that it can surprise investors with massive returns. Jasmy Coin is one of the fastest growing DeFi projects and cryptos with real use cases and can be strong by nature. As per our price analysis, the long-term investment in Jasmy Coin appears to be a good option to consider. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you in the next time. Until then, peace out.